Cam.
Oh yeah, I see you got some more.
Yeah. All right, y'all. So it's my boy Cam. Know what I'm saying? He ain't never seen this one before. So I'm gonna show you, man. Out of all my e-bikes, bro, this one got a special something on it on the hood. I gotta show you that bit.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Damn, we do that? It play music?
No.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
You start it up.
del automóvil y cuenta con colores. Luz gradual que se enciende cuando el vehículo arranca.
It's electric. I mean, yeah, it's electric. I mean, what you doing? You checking lenses? That's the bike?
Yeah.
Damn, what type of shit is that? That's hard.
Looking at it, no bullshit. That's
You was tricking me, fool. I know it. Don't do it. Shit. I'm so like, bro, what the fuck?